Well, Apple made my life a little hard because they rejected the app for a policy that requires that apps should not make customers or users register faster or sooner than it's absolutely necessary. In other words, if there's a function of your application that should not require a sign up or a registration, but should be accessible, such as exploring databases, like in my case, exploring the supplement databases, and then it's not appropriate to start with a login box. So basically, I have to reorganize my app in a way that there's going to be an explore function, which is what I created. This is what I was working on all day today. They're basically making me to split the app apart. And I've been thinking maybe this is a better user experience, actually, what they're saying. So in this explore screen, now I can do a search. So let's say I'm searching for turmeric. And I'm not logged in now. And so previously, you had to be logged in to get to this screen, and it was called import screen. I got rid of that. Now I renamed it to explore, which means you can get to it even if you're not logged in. So if you just got the app onto your phone, you can explore these databases. And then when you click on something, it brings up information all about that supplement. And then if you're interested in adding, and this is the crucial change, I think this is what they meant. Then I added a button that log into add, which brings up a drawer, and this one will allow you to log in. And log in. And now that I'm logged in, I can enter information that, like, you guys noticed, like, this filled in. So now I can enter the dosing information that I'm logged in. So basically, this screen now, you can start it without logging in, and then only if you want to add, and now the add button shows up because I logged in. So basically, that's the change. And so now I can set the dosing. Let's say mid morning and noon is gonna be 5, just so we can recognize it, and then I can add it. So now that I logged in, I made these things conditional visibility. So add has conditional visibility on being logged in, and unless I'm logged in, I just see the login to add button. So that's how I made these work. So now that I'm logged in, it shows the add button. I click add, and we should see those high numbers here for turmeric. So I'm going to get rid of it, and I added an edit link here. So basically, I got rid of screen, and now I just have an explore screen, and I have this dosing screen on the front page. This is what comes up if you're logged in, and the explore screen is what comes up if you're not logged in. Whereas before, if you're not logged in, the login screen came on. So maybe this is a better user experience because there are less screens. Maybe it is cleaner. I don't know. So if you click on this now, it takes you there. And let me just delete this so it doesn't pollute. So this is our supplement that I just added. So I delete that. So that's what I've been working on today. I had to split the app apart, like I said, and let me show you guys the policy, what this is based on. So this is the policy. We noticed that your app requires users to register or log in to access features that are not account-based. Apps may not require users to enter personal information to function except when directly relevant to the core functionality of the app or required by law. For example, an e-commerce app should let users browse store offerings and other features that are not account-based before being asked to register, or a restaurant app should allow users to explore the menu before placing an order. Registration must then only be required for account-specific features such as saving items for future reference or placing an order. All right, so basically, I think that's what they wanted. They wanted the users to be able to browse these databases as a separate function and only be forced to log in if they want to do the reminder service from the app, because my app provides multiple services. It's informational, it's a reminder service, it's a warning service, and all those things. And most of those require keeping track of things, and I think for those they have to be logged in. And what I did was, by splitting it apart, is that one function of just browsing the data is now available without being logged in. So I learned something. I learned something about a policy that it looks like this is something that I have to make sure I follow. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Thanks for listening.